What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Daily Car Guy. My name is Thomas. Today I'm gonna go further on working on my wide body kit. I already started on this panel by prying away all the foam that was on the inside. The plan is to, like this, pry everything off and strengthen it with some more fiberglass from the inside, because for now the real big parts, like this one here, are really flimsy. So I'm gonna try and set up the camera. This one will need a little bit of work down here. So this part of the foam will stay. So I have something as a guide to glass it. But the rest of the foam I'm gonna pry out. And then I'm gonna fiberglass both panels and leave them to dry. So right now I'm gonna try and set up the camera, and I'll see you then. So I got everything I want out, pried out. Noticed a few flaws, but when I'm putting the mats on the inside, that will fix those problems. So I'm gonna grab my stuff together, set up the camera again, mix up some fiberglass resin, and I'm gonna be glassing this. So I got both these panels set up. Already laid glass pieces in them to be able to work quickly. Gonna mix up the resin. Got my brush. I'm gonna pour in some resin and get it stiffened out. Got a few layers of glass in there. I don't know if you could see it on the video, but I layered it 2 or 3 times. And then I went over with all the resin. So I layered it up 2 or 3 times and then I laid over the resin. I'm gonna let it stiffen now. I'm gonna get back to this when it's dry. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. Gonna let these panels dry. I didn't have a lot of time to be working on these panels for the past few days, so it's a short video, but be sure to leave a like, drop a comment, hit the subscribe button if you want to see how these panels will turn out finished, and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified when I upload. But for now, I'm out.